What is up, you guys? We're back with another video. We're gonna get straight into it because I forgot we had a event tomorrow, and I have not even prepped. So it's Saturday afternoon right now, and we're running out of daylight pretty quick. And I gotta buff the car, clean the interior. I still gotta paint match my door panels. So a lot of this might not be in the video, just because we have to hustle so much. But let's get to it, guys, because we're running out of time really fast. All right, guys, so I got the car up already. I already buffed the fender. I mean, I'm not the best at buffing, but I mean, you could tell that the paint is kind of dull. As you can see, like it's white, so it's still gonna reflect pretty well. But on this side, look at that. It reflects like 10 times more. I already hit it once, so I think I'm cool with that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of it right now. Alright, guys, so I already got the whole driver's side nice and nice and buffed. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it all, but it looks really good, man. Just look at this. Yeah, guys, as you guys can see, I already got this whole driver's side nice and buffed. I might go back and hit it with a wool pad just because it has a couple of speckles of paint, because my neighbor was painting one day and I didn't cover it. So I might do that, but for now I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of the car and we'll see how it looks after. But yeah, I'll get to that real quick so I can move on to my side skirts and then do my banner, because I'm gonna change my banner too. So let's get to it, guys. Alright, boys, so I'm done buffing. It's already like 3:30, but car looks amazing, man. Let me tell you, that carbon fiber hood, fucking beautiful mirror finish. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Oh man, I'm so happy with the hood. Like literally that made my whole day. But fenders are nice and clean. I'm leaving the bumpers out just because it's a low visibility point, so I'm not really too stressed about them. But everything else, clean, boys. Very clean. Look at the hood of it, not the hood, but like the roof. Look at that. Sorry about that, but I lost my footsteps. But I mean, look at that, clean all around. Oh man, super happy with it. So now we are gonna take this banner off and replace it. I'm gonna put you guys on the head strap. I finally bought one, which is cool. So I mean, I'm gonna put you guys on the head strap and we'll go ahead and start taking this banner off. I already have the replacement, so we're gonna have to eyeball it as best as we can, honestly. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so pretty much we lost daylight, as you guys can see behind me. But we did finish buffing, we finished vacuuming the car, we finished the tire shine. Update on the sticker or the banner of my team, I ripped it. I totally murdered it. I'll show you guys in a bit, but still, everything is done, so we should be ready to go tomorrow. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I have done so far. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, my Instagram and my YouTube is there. I shine my tires, and clean my wheels. Buffing is all done. I vacuumed the inside of the car already, it's all good. I just need to wipe down the interior. But my banner, like I said, I ripped it. Me and my homie Alvaro, we murdered it. But cool, huge shout out to Alvaro. I'll leave his Instagram down below. But yeah, guys, everything is all set to go. Tomorrow I'm gonna just give it like a second wipe down just to make sure. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be the show. So I'm gonna be recording races, drift events. Yeah, if you guys want to see that, like and follow, man. See you guys tomorrow.